Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we will see one of the most popular and powerful programming language in the world, which is Python. This video is for you if you are interested to learn Python. We will see what Python is, its features, real world applications, and why its future is brighter than ever. So let's start it. Let's understand why Python is one of the most popular programming language today. First of all, Python is a high-level interpreted language. This means you don't need to worry about the low-level details like memory allocation or hardware management. Python handle all of these for you. It's widely known for its simplicity and readability. The syntax is so easy that Python is an open source and community driven, which means anyone can use it for free, contribute to its development, and use its thousands of libraries. It is object-oriented language, but the best part is it also supports procedural and functional programming, make it very flexible or different types of applications. Python offers huge library support. Whether you are working on the data science, web development, machine learning, or automation, there is a library out to help you. It's dynamically typed language, which means you don't need to declare the variable type explicitly. Python figure it out on its own. Python is a platform independent. Write your code once and you can run it on any operating system without any changes. It also comes with automatic memory management and garbage collection, so you don't need to manually manage it also comes with automatic memory management and garbage collection, so you don't need to manage the memory manually. Python does it for you. Overall, Python is on this slide we will see features of Python. Python is an interpreted language, means you don't need to compile it before running. The interpreter executes the code line by line, which helps in faster testing. Dynamically typed means you don't need to mention the data type of variable, it is determined at the runtime. Python is a platform independent, which means the same code will run on the different machine without any changes. Python handles the memory management, which includes memory allocation and deallocation automatically. Built-in garbage collect free up the unused memory, so you don't have to worry about the memory. Python has a vast library support that provides the module and functions, which reduces our efforts. Python supports both object-oriented and functional programming. Integrated capabilities means Python can easily integrate with other languages. On these slides we can see there are multiple applications of Python like web development, data science, machine learning, AI, automation, cybersecurity, Internet of Things. Now we will see a future of Python. This slide is the proof that why Python is trending so much and why it is important to learn Python in 2025. First of all, Python is in huge demand in the IT industry. Whether you are aiming to become the data analyst, machine learning engineer, web developer, or even the cybersecurity expert, Python is the foundation for all. Python is a top language for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch have made the Python the default choice for building smart applications like a recommendation system, chatbot, and predictive models. When it comes to the data science, Python completely dominates the space. Tools like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib help you to manipulate, analyze, and visualize the data easily. That's why data scientists, researchers, and analysts love using Python. Python is also widely used for automating repetitive tasks, from sending emails, managing files, to testing the software. This is especially used in the DevOps. Python plays an important role in the cybersecurity too. It's used for handling security tools, penetration testing out, and even detecting malware. Because of its simplicity and rich library, security professionals often rely on the Python for development of tools. Finally, Python is used for building the mobile apps, IoT devices, and desktop applications. Libraries like Beware make it possible to create beautiful user interface. Plus, Python supports platforms like a Raspberry Pi for building the smart home IoT devices.